how to fix Bluetooth not working on your MacBook. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple different solutions on how to fix your Bluetooth not working. So stick about because one of these solutions may fix your issue. So the first thing I suggest is to go into System Settings, go to Bluetooth and simply turn off your Bluetooth, give it 5 seconds and turn it back on. 9 times out of 10, this will fix the issue. If it hasn't, it could be an issue with the Bluetooth device itself. So in that case, you want to reset the Bluetooth device. Normally that is just turning it off, leaving it for a couple seconds and turning it back on. If it's still not working, what you want to do is press this eye icon by the side of the device and press forget this device, press forget device. And now you want to repair it. So we will press connect and now that's connected again. So the next thing you can try is opening up Activity Monitor and now go to the search bar and type in Bluetooth. As you can see here, we've got 2 items here that say Bluetooth. So what we can do is open it up by clicking on it and pressing quit. Now press force quit. And as you can see, it says terminated. So we'll close off that and do the same with this one. Now what we'll do is reload Bluetooth by clicking off of it on settings and clicking back on it. If it's still not working, what you want to do is go and press the Apple logo in the top left corner, press restart and reset your computer. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if any of these solutions helped.